while you were riding down here, was he turning around, looking?
On January 9, 2025, Louisiana law enforcement conducted a planned traffic stop targeting an Uber-Lyft vehicle traveling at 48 to 50 mph in a 35 mph zone. Although the stop appeared to be a routine traffic check, it was actually part of an ongoing surveillance operation aimed at intercepting a shipment suspected to be connected to a well-known cocaine distributor. The passenger provided vague information about his origin, claiming only that he came from Detroit and was heading to a Home Depot, further raising officers' suspicions.
How you doing, sir?
That's it.
Hey, man, speed limit through here is only 35. The speed limit's only 35 through here. You're going like 48, almost 50.
You say?
Mm-hmm. Yep. You get your driver's license with you?
Yeah.
Are you an Uber or a Lyft or something?
Yeah.
I got you. Where y'all trying to get to?
I'm taking him to Home Depot.
I got you, Home Depot?
Yeah.
So is this the 2009 Toyota Camry?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just going to come around that side. I'm going to check the VIN, make sure that's all good, okay?
Okay.
All right. Nothing else going? Nothing else? Like everything's good with your driver's license and all that?
Yeah, everything.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna jump out with me for a minute. I'm gonna get some information from you.
Okay.
All right, for my warning phone number and things like that, and I'll get you out of here pretty quick. Okay.
Okay.
Can you step out for me though? Yeah, I'll have you jump out with me, and then I'll get you on your.
So I should come there?
Yes, please. All right. Nothing on you that's gonna poke, cut, stick, or kill me. No guns, weapons, knives, anything crazy like that.
Oh, I'm at the truck.
I know, but Ubers sometimes carry weapons. You never know who's.
I used to be a semi-truck
You,
driver.
you never know who's in your car, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Come on. Close. Find it. Find. Check. Find it. Pick up. Find it. Check, check, check. Find it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Good.
Even though the K9 unit did not alert, one officer directly confronted the passenger, stating that police already knew what was in the bag, and that they had video evidence showing him placing the luggage in the back of the vehicle. When asked to cooperate on the spot, the passenger continued to refuse. Officers then announced that they would confiscate the bag as evidence and proceed with obtaining a federal arrest warrant. The man was arrested at the scene, while the Uber driver was deemed completely uninvolved. A subsequent search revealed 10 kilograms of cocaine meticulously packaged inside the luggage.
Find. Check, check, check. Check truck. Pay attention. Come on. Find it. Look. Okay, partner?
Yeah.
Does the window not roll down? You just roll down. You're good. He just said you were moving around, so I was going to come up here and talk to you.
Oh, yeah, I'm on his phone, man.
What'd you guys get stopped for? What'd you guys get stopped for?
Shit, I'm just riding, man. I guess he said he was speeding.
You just riding?
Well, I'm headed to it, you know. I'm headed to where I'm going. I said, I don't know. He said he was speeding, so.
You like Uber or something? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I got you. You got no idea what's going on. I got you. Cool, man. Oh, so where you head to?
Home Depot.
Home Depot? I got you. You got a project going?
Yeah, I was supposed to meet my cousin there, man, out for a carpool, so.
A car? Oh, okay. Wait, your car pulling?
Yeah.
And you're taking an Uber to get there? Where are you coming from?
Because they didn't want to come pick me up from over there.
Oh, okay. I got you. Where are you coming from?
Yeah, shoot, I don't know. Somewhere down.
You're not from the area?
Nope.
I got you. You're good, man. You're cool.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Detroit.
Detroit?
Yeah.
Nice. You down here for a while, or did you move down here? Yeah. How you liking it compared to Detroit?
It's Vegas, all right.
Yeah.
So far.
What you say?
I said it's all right so far.
Yeah. What's up?
Hey, dude, go ahead, jump out for me. Leave your phone right where it's at.
Leave my phone here.
Yep, let's step out. Correct. Okay, straight back.
What's going on?
We'll explain it all here in a minute, okay? But now you're going to be detained for the purpose of a drug investigation, okay?
Okay.
You got the back of the car?
Keep it, let's see.
Yeah, and Jennifer's got it. All right, we can get all this information. We can go.
Yep. Right. Yep. Come back here with me. That's the driver, yeah. You can get him out.
I just might want to stay one.
Okay. All right, man. Anything on you that's going to poke us like or kill me?
No.
Just chapstick?
How you feel like that? Stop. Look, Mr. Sellers. I mean, obviously, we're not just here for shits and giggles, okay? Dude's giving us consent to search the car. We're not going to go that way with it, okay? We saw the roller go in the back. It is what it is, man. So, either you can be Team USA or just take it as it comes. We'll go get a warrant for it, blah, blah, blah. It is what it is. How does that work? What do you mean? Dude, listen, I'm not just here by happenstance, man. I'm here because there's an investigation that's ongoing. Yeah. Okay, and you're part of that investigation. I am, huh? Oh yeah, hell yeah. You can't bounce into the city as much as you do and not think that somebody ain't gonna know about. Right. Right. So here's what we're gonna do. And it all depends on how you want to play it. Okay. But he's gonna give us consent, but we don't want to do that because it's gonna get fucked up. So what I'm saying is, we already know what's in the bag. All right. We already know what's in the bag. Just because the dog don't hit on it don't mean much right now, okay? I still got enough for a warrant, but I'm gonna let you make a decision whether or not you want to be Team USA. We'll go back to the PD, we'll grab the roller, we'll sit down, we'll talk. Either way, that roller's not going anywhere. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not your first rodeo. I mean, I've seen your history, dude. Yeah. So, I mean, we're balls to the wall now, you know? So, this would be my suggestion to you. We grab it. You can ride with me. We'll sit in the car. We'll go back down to the station. We'll sit down and talk. You can think about it if you want, but that roller's not going anywhere without me. I don't know nothing about the roller. I saw you put it in, bro.
Hey, Rich, fuck that. Get him down. Come on, you're going downtown. He can go in the back of the cruiser and take the roller. We're down.
We got video of you putting it back there, bro. So that's all I'm just giving you the benefit of the doubt. Be like, hey, look, let's go down and sit and talk. That roller's going with me no matter what. Okay? I'm just trying not to hold up the Uber driver. But here's what we'll do. I'll probably just let the Uber driver go. We're going to secure that as evidence. We're going to tape it up, and then we'll apply for the warrant. But like I said, yeah, I'll just give you a chance to be Team USA if you don't. Dude, I get it. I mean, you've been through it. I know. And we'll just go a different way with it, okay? Which way is that?
Prison, federal. Come on, get him in the car, bro.
He's cold, man. He's cold for that. So, but we're going to grab it. We're going to secure it. Then we'll get back to the station. We'll talk one more time, okay, where it's warm. What's my other option? Your other options is we go back to the station, the roller goes with us anyway. We talk about it, be like, yeah, open it up, dude. It's fucking 20 bricks of this or fucking 30 bricks of that. There it is. Then we go back to your hotel room, make sure you ain't got any more. That's being Team USA. That's up to you.
How do I get home?
Well, that's what's talk to the prosecutor and different things like that. We gotta figure out what we got first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna sit down and be like, dude, you know, I'll tell you about A, B, and C, and then maybe you can get D. That's how these things work if you've never been in this situation.
All right.
Yeah. Hey, we're good guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm going to secure it. We're going to secure it with evidence tape. We'll go down to the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office. We'll sit down and talk again, and then we'll see what your thoughts are then. How about that?
Right.
Okay? So nothing to say that you're not going home or whatever. Dude, I understand that. Okay, that's your worry right now. That's what I'd be worried about. But that's not off the table yet. But let's sit in here. I'm going to grab it. Okay? I'm going to secure it. We're not going to search it until we sit back down to the Sheriff's Office. Okay? Is that good with you? No, you really don't. Sit down right there. You got any phones or anything on them?
Phone was left up in the car, passenger seat. All right, Mr. I'm gonna make sure you're at least warm, okay?
Right.
And we're not gonna do anything crazy here. But I got heat on back here for you, okay? So you'll stay warm.
Right.
All right?
Right.
So I want to make sure it's okay with you guys. This is the way we're gonna go with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna remove. He got in the car, right?
Yeah, they dispatched me to the hotel to pick him up. Yeah.
Oh, this is a taxi.
Yeah, this is a lift.
Lift. Okay.
Yeah. So I went to the motel to pick him up.
Well, anything he say while you guys were driving?
No, he never said anything. He got his luggage in it.
Yeah, got the luggage, put it in.
Yeah.
While you were riding down here, was he turning around, looking?
Oh, yeah.
So a lot. He was looking behind him.
Long.
Did he say anything
No.
when you got pulled over?
Only I asked him, is he from here? He said, no, he's from Detroit.
Detroit.
Yeah, he said that I should drop him at Home Depot and somebody's coming to pick him up. That's all I told him.
Okay. All right. So are you good with us getting into your car and removing his bag?
Oh, yeah, no problem. No problem.
What's his calling the Smith?
TJ, that was the one that taken in there, so.
I mean, he has no expectation of privacy. The bag's not his car. The Uber's leaving. He's detained for drug investigation. So,
Hey, as long as you guys do it, I'll do it. So why don't you go ahead and pop it open?
I mean, there's a motor vehicle exception anyway if he gives consent. But I mean,
Yeah, we just don't want to. You guys good to secure this in your car?
that
Yes.
motherfucker had- Is that it? Just one bag? Yes. That's all he had?
Yeah.
Meet you up at headquarters?
Yep.
All right. Okay.
This is one.
That's his wallet chapstick.
Let's go inside. What's the one?
Now that you're on the way, I just want to see you fall in the eyes. Okay, man?
Find it. Quick. Find it. Quick. Here's. Find it. Yeah, you already got it. That's only the one.
Police stated that the prolonged detention was lawful under the reasonable suspicion standard in Louisiana, which allows officers to continue investigating when there are clear indicators that criminal activity is occurring or about to occur, especially when a suspect's statements contain multiple inconsistencies. Authorities also cited Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, in which the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that officers may order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop to ensure officer safety. The case remains under federal review, with the passenger now facing multiple drug-related charges, while the Uber driver has been officially cleared of any involvement in the trafficking operation.